If you want to open apps in the pop-up view on Motorola Signature, it is actually quite simple. You have two ways to do so. You can open the app that you want to open in the pop-up view and then go to Recent or Background Apps. And then below the app preview, we have this button, this rectangle or square within the rectangle, I guess. And we can tap on this button in order to immediately open the app in the floating window mode, just like that. You can, of course, grab by, for example, this upper side over here. We can make it bigger if you want to by grabbing by the corner. You can tap on the line at the top in order to go back to the full screen, or you can minimize the app, or you can just completely close it. And the second way to open an app in the floating window mode is by using the sidebar. So if you do use a sidebar, if you open any app from the sidebar, as you can see, it is actually opened in the pop-up view immediately. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.